Hello, I am Roma More from Bharati Vidya Bhavan SNVM School, Standard 9th. We all face certain problems while finding the cube roots of large numbers or 4-digit or 5-digit numbers. So I have a solution. Today we'll see that how we can find the cube roots of perfect cube numbers easily. So let's begin. But remember, for this trick, you need to learn all the cubes from 1 to 10. Let's take a quick look. Here we can see the cubes from 1 to 10. Let's observe the last digits or the digits at the units place which are marked in red color. We can see that the last digits of all the cubes are different from each other. None of the cubes share the last digit. That is, none of the cubes have the same digit. Let's see the next steps to find the cube roots. Step 1. To multiply all the cubes by 1000 and the numbers by 10. We can see here the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the cubes 1, 8, 27 and so on. Let's see the next step. Step 2. Step 2 is to choose the number. Let's take the number 42,875. Observe the last digit marked in red color. It is 5. Yes. So the cube root of 42,875 has its last digit as 5. But from which two categories or between which two categories does this number come from? Yes, it comes between category 3 and 4, that is between 27,000 and 64,000. Let's see this. Yes, we can see here that category 3 and category 4 are marked with red colored box. Let's take a look at the next step. Step 3. To find the cube root itself. As 42,875 comes between third and fourth category, the cube root is between 30 and 40. The last digit we found out in 42,875 is 5. Since 5 is the only number which has 5 in its cube, that is 125, the number at the units place will be 5. As the number is between 30 and 40 and it has 5 in its units place, the number is 35. So cube root of 42,875 is 35. Let's see one more example. So the step 1 for the second example is the same. To multiply all the cubes by 1000 and numbers by 10. Step 2. To choose the number which you want. Let's take the number 3,57,911. Observe the last digit marked in red color. It is 1. So the cube root of 3,57,911 has its last digit as 1. Now, between which two categories does this number comes from? It comes between category 7 and category 8. That is between 3,43,000 and 5,12,000. Let's see this. Here we can see that category 7 and category 8 are marked with the red box. Let's take a look at the next step. Step 3. To find the cube root. As 3,57,911 comes between 7 and 8th category, the cube root is between 70 and 80. The last digit we found out in 3,57,911 is 1. Since 1 is the only number which has 1 in its cube, that is 1 itself, the number at the units place will be 1. As the number is between 70 and 80 and it has 1 in its units place, the number is 71. So the cube root of 3,57,911 is 71. Yes. Now it's your turn to find the cube roots of different perfect cube numbers. Thank you.